Hi, my name is Cheng and here is a short guide to Chinese New Year. So, what is Chinese New Year? Well, many know that Chinese New Year happens on a different day every year, but what you might not know is that it also happens on different years. After all, Chinese New Year is heavily linked to the lunar cycle, much like ancient traditions such as paganism, lycanthropy, and menstruation. Chinese New Year typically takes place about a month after the Gregorian New Year or normal New Year. This is due to China's strict import laws. This means that there are multiple bootleg copies of New Year being distributed throughout the month of January. Watch out. You can create any Chinese version of any Western holiday by simply adding the word Chinese to it. For example, Chinese Halloween, Chinese Valentine's Day, and Chinese Burns Night, a particular hit with any fans of S&M. Each year is represented by a different animal from the Chinese zodiac, the order of which depended on how well they did in the Great Race. Races are a huge part of Chinese culture even to this day, which explains why they always do so well in the Olympics and why they love the Fast and Furious movies. This year we're celebrating the Year of the Pig, and it is customary to kick things off by watching the movie Babe, with an optional follow-up of the sequel Babe 2 Pig in the City for the real hardcore fans. According to Chinese astrology, this is a typical personality profile of the pig. Many people who know pigs compare them to dogs because they are friendly, loyal, and intelligent. Pigs are naturally very clean and avoid, if at all possible, soiling their living areas. This description was taken from the Toronto Vegetarian Association. If you are a pig, that means that this year you will have a terrible year, although that is true for everyone due to the current state of modern politics. If you're white British and you're wondering how to make yourself more Chinese for the festival, here's some quick advice. Just don't do it. Just nobody wants that. I hope this was educational. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.